Hello and welcome to another wonderful year of JAMB past question revision and study. Our JAMB past question is very different from what you can see any other place because it is very descriptive, and as we are solving, you're getting to know a whole lot of things. Very beneficial in your preparation to your JAMB, and we're starting with 2019 English. And we're looking at this question that says, in each of the questions from 1 to 15, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. And what words do we have? We have, as an idiot, the boy is weak in class. The word there is idiots. Which of these is the option that is opposite in meaning? For me to do this, I'm going to give us the definitions of each and every one of the words here, and that is why it's good you follow us up, because we don't just pick the answer, we give you the definition, so you see that by the time you're done, you know a whole lot of words, their meaning, you know their opposite, and every other thing. So we are going to be starting with the word idiot. What is the meaning of idiot? Idiot simply means a stupid person, somebody that is very informal, or you can say a stupid person. That's the meaning of idiot. So having known the meaning, you can easily pick out the opposite. Now the second word there is a deviant. What is a deviant? A deviant is a person who departs from normal standard. Somebody that does what? Departs from normal standard. That's a deviant. You're not following what other people are following. Then a douance. This is not dance. This is douance or don. This actually dons, not dance. A dons. So what is the meaning of that? A person who is slow at learning. So somebody that is slow at learning is a dunce, like a dunce. Then an expert. An expert is simply what? A person who has great knowledge or skills. A person who has great knowledge or skills. That's the meaning of an expert. Then a genius is an exceptional natural ability, or somebody that is exceptionally intelligent. So that's the meaning of a genius: exceptionally intelligent or able person, somebody that is very able. So which of them could be the opposite of the word idiot? An idiot is a stupid person, somebody that is informal. So from your judgment, what can you pick as to being the opposite? This one, somebody that has great knowledge. This one, somebody that deviates from standard. That is a deviant. Whereas a dunce is somebody that is slow to learning. So you can see that a dunce and an idiot, they are very close. So what is their opposite? A genius is somebody that is very able. So it's not stupid, it's able. Whereas an expert could be likened to a professional. But somebody that is able and intelligent could be the opposite of somebody that is stupid or informal. So I think the correct answer should be D, genius. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. We're starting this series, it's gonna be wonderful. So hit the subscribe button and